Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school account for Canva Pro. First, visit the Canva Education website to verify your institution's eligibility. Many schools and educational programs qualify for free access to all premium features. You will need an active school email address ready for the next steps. This process usually takes just a few minutes to complete, setting you up for creative success. Once on the Canva Education page, look for the Get Verified button and click it to begin. Input your official school email address into the provided field. Canva will then send a verification link directly to that email. Open your inbox, find the email from Canva, and click the enclosed link to confirm your educational status. This simple step finalizes the registration process, granting you full access. With your Pro account now active, you can explore an extensive library of premium content, including millions of images and video clips. Access features like the Magic Resize tool, allowing you to instantly adapt designs for different platforms. Create a custom brand kit to maintain consistent colors and fonts across all your projects. You can also easily collaborate with up to 100 classmates, making group assignments simple and efficient. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that your school is still listed as an eligible institution. Sometimes, verification emails can end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there. For persistent problems, navigate to the Canva Help Center and search for education-specific support articles. Their dedicated team is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, to provide personalized assistance and resolve any account difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.